Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Intel. Today, we're diving into something absolutely wild from Tesla. Picture this, a massive truck hauling 80,000 pounds, zooming from 0 to 60 in just 20 seconds. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? That's the Tesla Semi, and it's just the beginning. In this video, we're exploring 3 game-changing innovations from Tesla: their electric semi-truck, the Optimus humanoid robot, and the gigantic Giga press that's redefining how cars are made. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're set to shake up entire industries. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Tesla Semi, a truck that's proving all the naysayers wrong. You know, big rigs like these, weighing up to 80,000 pounds, are usually slow and clunky. They're not exactly known for winning races. Electric trucks have always faced a lot of doubt because batteries are heavy, and people thought they couldn't handle the demands of long-haul trucking. Even Bill Gates once said that electric vehicles might not work for heavy-duty stuff like 18-wheelers or cargo ships because the batteries are just too bulky. But Elon Musk wasn't having it. He basically told Gates, "You don't know trucks." And to back it up, Tesla built the Semi, not just any electric truck, but one that's set to change the game. This truck is so impressive it might even convince truck drivers to stick with the job, which is a big deal given the driver shortage in the US. Let's talk numbers. The Tesla Semi can go up to 500 miles on a single charge, and without a load, it's said to hit 800 miles. That's unreal for a truck this size. Plus, it's already saved over 1 million gallons of diesel, which adds up to about $3.5 million in savings. No wonder Elon calls it a money machine. Now, the Semi's been in the works since 2017, and it's taken about 8 years to get here. But the good news? Mass production is finally ramping up. Tesla's aiming to build around 10,000 semis by the end of 2025 and 50,000 in 2026. Their Gigafactory Nevada is more than ready to make that happen. But it's not just about range and savings. The Semi's second generation is coming, and it's going to be even better. It's faster, more powerful, and has some cool upgrades like new mirrors for better visibility and a drop glass to make it easier for drivers to interact at ports or gates. The design's been tweaked to be even more aerodynamic, which means it's more efficient. And get this, it uses a new battery that's cheaper to make and lighter, yet still delivers the same range thanks to a 7% efficiency boost. Tesla's not just building a truck, they're redefining what heavy-duty transport can be. The Semi's also got some serious performance stats. It can climb a 10% grade at 60 miles per hour while fully loaded, something diesel trucks can only dream of. Most diesel trucks crawl at about 30 miles per hour on steep hills, burning tons of fuel and causing traffic jams. The Semi's energy consumption is just 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, which, at California's electricity prices, costs about 30 cents per mile. Compare that to a diesel truck, which costs around $3.51 per gallon for the same distance. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, those savings add up big time. A recent X-post from the Tesla Semi account said their fleet has saved over $3.5 million in diesel costs with just 400 trucks on the road. Imagine what millions of semis could do. Maintenance is another huge win. The Semi costs just 10 cents per mile to maintain, compared to 20 cents for diesel trucks. That's half the cost, and it means less downtime for repairs. No oil changes, no exhaust system fixes, just a simpler, cleaner machine. Companies like PepsiCo, Costco, and Walmart have tested the Semi and confirmed its efficiency. Drivers love it too. PepsiCo drivers say it's so smooth and quiet, they don't want to drive anything else. It's not just a truck, it's a whole new driving experience. And here's the big one, the Semi's set to get full self-driving. Elon's been clear that autonomous tech is key to solving the driver shortage. Trucking's a tough job, long hours, constant noise, and tight schedules. With self-driving, the the semi could handle most of the journey, letting drivers rest and reducing fatigue-related accidents. It's not just about tech, it's about making the job safer and more sustainable. Can you imagine a world where trucks drive themselves? It's closer than you think. If you're loving this deep dive into Tesla's tech, please hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support helps us bring you more content like this. Let's keep the momentum going. But Tesla's not stopping at trucks. They're also working on something straight out of a sci-fi novel, Optimus, their humanoid robot. Tesla recently shared images of Optimus on Mars, and it's not just a pipe dream, this could be real in a few years once SpaceX's perfect starship. Elon's been talking up how Optimus will be a game-changer for Mars missions. These robots could build habitats and infrastructure before humans even arrive. And how do they learn? By watching videos. Seriously, Optimus can pick up new skills just by observing humans, whether it's laying bricks or cooking a steak. It's like having a super smart assistant that learns in minutes. Unlike most robots that are pre-programmed or remotely controlled, Optimus learns on its own, and fast. Elon says it could master 100 new tasks a day just by watching YouTube videos. That's wild. Think about it, you might take a week to learn a new recipe, but Optimus nails it in minutes and never forgets. This kind of learning could change everything, from factories to homes. But it also raises questions. What if Optimus watches the wrong videos? Joking aside, this tech could transform industries and even help us colonize Mars. Tesla's planning to mass-produce Optimus, too. By 2027, they aim to build between 500,000 and 1 million robots. Production's already starting at their Fremont factory, with thousands expected this year. Optimus uses the same AI as Tesla's self-driving cars, learning from real-world data to handle complex tasks. If one Optimus learns to make an omelet, every other Optimus can do it instantly thanks to a shared learning system. It's like a hive mind for robots, making them incredibly efficient. On Mars, Optimus could be a game-changer. It can navigate rough terrain, climb stairs, and even analyze minerals without needing GPS, which doesn't work on Mars. But here's a big question, how will it charge on Mars? On Earth, it uses a 4680 battery that lasts 10 hours and charges in just 10 minutes. On Mars, solar power might work, but dust storms could block panels, so Tesla might need fuel cells or other tech. What do you think? How should Optimus stay powered on Mars? Let us know in the comments. If you're finding this as fascinating as I am, don't forget to like and subscribe to Auto Intel. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, and your support keeps us going. Hit that button and join the community. Now, let's talk about how Tesla's changing the way cars are made with the 50,000-ton Giga press. This beast is being installed at their Texas factory, and it's massive, like a 4-story building on its side. Setting it up takes months, a smaller 16,000-ton Giga press took 120 days, so this one might take twice as long. But once it's ready, it'll transform EV production. Tesla's already producing a Model Y every 33 seconds at Giga Shanghai, but the Gigapress takes it to another level. Traditionally, car frames are made from hundreds of parts welded together, which is slow, costly, and prone to errors. Elon's big idea was to cast the entire chassis as one piece, cutting out all those welds and robots. To do that, you need a monster machine, and that's where the Gigapress comes in. Tesla teamed up with IDRA, who saw that electric vehicles would make traditional engine parts obsolete. They built bigger and bigger presses, leading to this 50,000-ton giant. It can cast the entire underbody of a car, like the Cybercab, in one go, reducing weight by 10% and cutting costs by 40%. The process is wild. Molten aluminum is heated to 850 degrees Celsius, purified, and injected into a mold under 50,000 tons of pressure. It cools in seconds, creating a perfect frame. Elon says this could let Tesla produce a car every 5 seconds, 5 at a time. That's unheard of. The Cybercab, with just 80 structural parts compared to 200 in the Model Y, is perfect for this. It's like going from assembling a puzzle to molding it whole. Other automakers like Toyota are jumping on this tech, too, with their new BZ7 sedan aiming to compete with Tesla's Model 3. But Tesla's supercharging network and software give it an edge. The Gigapress isn't just about cars. It's about making EVs affordable and sustainable, using recycled aluminum to cut emissions. So, why should you care? The Semi could make trucking cheaper and greener, saving millions in fuel and maintenance. Optimus might solve labor shortages and help us live on Mars. The Gigapress could make EVs so affordable that everyone can own one. Tesla's not just building products, they're building a future where technology solves big problems. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support means everything. Like this video, share it with friends, and let us know what you think about Tesla's innovations in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.